Hello, today here at SLE Equipment we're going to be looking at this 30-foot observation deck enclosed hybrid utility trailer. This trailer does feature a ramp off the front. We'll have the observation up top, which is 12 foot. As you can see, we've got the side vents on this trailer as well. The trailer does also feature mag wheels, 7K axles. The height on the trailer is also 8 foot. On the back sides, we do have the 2-foot mesh, so items can't just come out of the trailer when it's in travel and transit. The very back has a bifold ramp, which is also covered in the expanded metal mesh. We'll have the pressure treated wood in the back. Here we'll look at the spring assist that is featured on this trailer. The floor of the trailer also has D-rings for mount points and tie down points. The back door on this trailer has a bar lock for security. Over here on the side, we'll have a side loading ramp. It'll have a flap for easy convenience of loading. Spring assist to assist with loading as well. That way you can bring the ramp down without too much heft and hassle, and also bring it back up as well. Interior of this trailer is going to be wood. 12-volt light is going to have power from your vehicle. On the inside, you can see the inside of the vents. Falling back out side of the trailer here, what we're going to wind up looking at next is the very front of the trailer. We'll have a brake box as well as breakaway cable. We do have a 12-foot enclosed walkable observation deck with 12-foot foldable rails. And that'll be it for this video. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a nice day.